So you've made a choice to upgrade or add a graphics card to your PC, and you're not sure what to do first. Well, in about 15 minutes, you can be up and running with a new GPU. I'm Elliott Levine, Chief Academic Officer for STS Education, and installing a graphics card is a lot easier than you think. In a prior video, we explained what a GPU is and what your options are for performance versus price. Now, assuming you've picked one, you're ready to begin. Now, if you're replacing a graphics card, be sure to first uninstall the drivers for your older GPU. And now is the time you actually want to download and save copies of the latest drivers for your new graphics card. AMD and NVIDIA offer guides to walk you through the uninstall process as well. So even if drivers do come with your new GPU out of the box, make sure you go to the manufacturer's website to get the latest versions. Now, if you currently don't have a dedicated graphics card in your PC, you can move right ahead to the installation phase. Once you have your new card and your tools nearby, simply shut down and unplug your PC. Also unplug your display. As always, make sure you ground yourself before ever working on a PC and causing a spark. It's not a pretty sight. Now again, one more check you want to do is check to make sure that the power supply unit inside your PC's tower can handle this new graphics card. Ideally, you might need to see a power supply of at least 500 watts. If you're unsure, don't proceed. Order a new power unit for your PC and wait to do the upgrade. If you feel you're good to proceed, simply remove the screws holding your GPU in place and unlock the cable going from your graphics card to the PCIe slot found on your computer's motherboard and the cable leading to the power supply unit. Now you should be able to gently just slide out the unit. Now, your new graphics card may not take up just one bay, but a lot of the new ones take up 2 bays on the back of your PC. And as such, you might actually have to remove another one of those exterior panels to hold the driver and the adapters. Now, slide your new graphics card into place, and it should align that it just simply pops right into the slot. Simply connect the power supply, and remember, this is only going to connect one way, so never try to force it. Close up your case. Now reattach the monitor using the new ports on your new graphics card. And now it's safe to plug in your PC and power it up. Of course, now you're going to need to install the new drivers, the ones that you downloaded previously. If your computer is unable to start or you run into errors immediately after starting, the graphics card may not be installed, pushed in properly all the way into that PC, or you may not be getting enough power from your power supply unit. So all the more reason just to be extra careful about it. And honestly, before you know it, you'll be enjoying your favorite games with incredible clarity. Want more tips? Subscribe to our channel. Learn what it takes to build, upgrade, and maintain your gaming PCs and schools.